Today, everyone uses the internet to access products and services such as travel, hotels, deliveries, and restaurants, giving us all the information we need to search and book fast. Global distribution systems, GDS, make this possible and bring order to the chaos. Introducing ICE, the revolutionary GDS for the private healthcare sector, allowing anyone offering healthcare services to share them with anyone who wants to search for them. The NHS e-referral service has simplified appointment booking across the country, but nothing like it existed for the private healthcare industry, until now. ICE has been built using APIs based on FHIR, the global standard to share healthcare information. Existing systems can integrate with ICE, allowing practitioners with a PPR profile to easily create sessions to publish. Practitioners can fine-tune their choices and preferences by channel, such as by insurer or third party, giving total control over which services are published, who sees their availability, and how their diary bookings are managed. Integrating with ICE allows seamless searching and booking across the industry. Insurers can find suitable practitioners that are also convenient for their members, allowing them to book patients directly into a practitioner's diary. Hospitals can utilize their websites to drive traffic to their practitioners using live, synchronized diaries shared between treating sites and practitioners. And third parties can offer practitioners the opportunity for patients to book an appointment through their websites. So how does ICE work for patients? Currently, patients who don't know who to see are forced into a frustrating search for a local provider, looking through multiple websites and waiting for callbacks. Patients that land on a site integrated with ICE can book directly with a practitioner. No calls or emails required. They can search according to date, time, location, or whatever parameters the site wishes to include, such as video consultations. Insurers can also use ICE within their systems when patients contact them needing help with making an appointment. Patients input their details as required, make the booking, and receive instant confirmation of their appointment from the provider. This will also include a unique link if they've requested a video consultation, so they can join the session without the hassle of downloading any software. It's just as easy for the practitioners. They just click the link and start. No waiting, no fuss. And as the practitioners only need one diary which is automatically updated through ICE, no more double booking. ICE moves the journey from search to booked appointment for practitioners, providers, insurers, hospitals, and most importantly, patients.